Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom. Let's dive in today's topic, but before that, don't forget to subscribe.
Video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of May 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.34. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 25.84% since we first designated Tesla as a buy candidate 15 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.72% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $366.13 will initially indicate an accelerated rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 36.97% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 3.65% to 39.92%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of about 33.47%, based on our calculations. The stock's performance could vary between negative 10.30% and 100.94% over the coming year. Translated to current values, this would place the future price somewhere between $321.49 and $720.23. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock price up approximately 0.429% on Thursday. The Tesla stock price gained approximately 0.429% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025. The price rose from $356.90 to $358.43. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.29%. with a day low at $356 and a day high of $367.71. This price has seen ups and downs during this period, with a total gain of 3.16% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 87 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $31.29 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, while the lowest price was $167.41. Currently, the price is 26.63%, or $130.11, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock has recently experienced a notable increase, influenced by Elon Musk's exit from the Trump administration. This shift allows him to refocus his attention on the company. Analysts view this as a favorable development, anticipating Musk's renewed dedication to Tesla's foundational innovations, especially in autonomous driving and robotics. Investors are also optimistic about the upcoming launch of Tesla's robotaxi service in Austin on the 12th of June, which has the potential to significantly enhance revenues and strengthen the company's position in driverless technology. As Musk wraps up his involvement with Dodge, shareholders are increasingly calling for greater transparency and commitment. They urge him to devote more time to Tesla, particularly in light of concerns over recent sales declines. This shift in focus could reassure investors and stabilize stock performance in the near term. Tesla's appeal to the Senate for ongoing support underscores its dependence on government incentives, highlighting the necessity of regulatory stability for its thriving energy sector. While external challenges persist, particularly concerning sales and brand reputation, the renewed emphasis on Tesla's strategic innovations is set to positively influence its stock valuation in both the short and long term. The forthcoming milestones could further boost investor confidence, leading to a potentially optimistic outlook for Tesla's stock. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla a rating of outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a rating of buy with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush again assigned Tesla a rating of outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was also reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a rating of neutral with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was further reported that Piper Sandler assigned Tesla a rating of overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell designation. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have provided the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $348.14 and $295.47. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Interestingly, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been generated, which could influence the near-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 1.23%. Further declines are expected